Hey, welcome back. This is Will Middleton from LifterLMS, and in this video we're going to dive in to the file upload question type. So let's add the question type in here, and we can see the file upload might come in handy if you have an art course or maybe a language course and you want the user to upload an MP3 or MP4. But for now, let's say, what art piece did you put together? And so that'll be our question, and we can restrict the file types. Currently, the student can upload any type of file, but what I'll do is I'll restrict it to a JPEG or a PNG. So the user can only upload a JPEG or PNG file. Let's make sure those changes are saved and show you what this looks like for the student on the front end. Let's open this in a new tab. Might not have saved entirely. Let's reload the page here. Oh, there it goes. Saved. And now I can take quiz. Let's see here. It might be a little slower because I'm editing it on the back end while simultaneously trying to go in on the front end. So let's start quiz, and we can see I can select or drop a file, and if I click here, it'll open up the files and I can add in one of my files here. And this is a manually graded question type, so the instructor or admin is going to need to go in on the back end and grade it, and we'll show you that in a future video. But that's it for the upload question type from LifterLMS Advanced Quizzes. I'll see you in the next video.